Does this sound familiar to you? You're juggling spreadsheets. Reminders go unnoticed. Drivers skip logs. Costs pile up. And you only find out when a vehicle breaks down. That's where Simply Fleet steps in. It's an easy-to-use fleet maintenance platform designed to give you control. Every user, whether they're drivers, technicians, or managers, sees exactly what they need. Drivers can effortlessly complete inspections right from their phones. If an item fails, it instantly becomes an issue. You can turn that issue into a work order, assign it to a technician, and keep tabs on time and parts used. This helps prevent small problems from becoming major repairs. Plus, you can log fuel and mileage and easily snap a picture of your fuel receipts to capture amount, quantity, and more. You gain control without having to chase anyone down. Get automated maintenance reminders that keep every dollar spent on a vehicle visible. With Simply Fleet, you're not just tracking your fleet, you're staying ahead of potential challenges. Try Simply Fleet. Sign up today.